Hello, hello. Welcome everybody to July 27th stream for Gift. A little bit late, but still got some nice moves. Some crazy moves happened during Asian session. We have a US dollar dump, which caused basically everything to rise as per analysis given on Saturday. But other than, let's get started over here. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna get set up. Invite Chan to the thing too. Show what happened. But yeah, since Asian session, price of everything's been on a steady rise. Yo, what's up? What's up? Yo, how you doing?
Good, yourself?
Chilling, chilling. Start up the stream too, so good to go.
Oh, is it rolling now?
Huh?
Is the stream rolling?
Yeah, it's rolling right now. Dude, like everything went up during Asian session. There's a big like US dollar dump happening.
Oh yeah, Euro USD is insane.
Yeah. Pound. Euro USD went up to like what, 117 something.
60.
Yeah, that's insane. It's actually
Yeah,
insane.
gold ripped up.
Yeah, gold, everything ripped up, man. Everything did. No regard for anything.
Things are wild, man.
Yep.
I'm surprised gold is up this much so quickly. I mean, I'm not surprised gold is up.
Dude, it went from like fucking that's like 400 pip move since yesterday, basically.
Mm-hmm.
That's actually insane. So. But yeah, no, we'll see. There's probably gonna be some moves sometime today, but
It's Monday. Take it easy.
it's Monday. Yeah, that's true. It's true.
No, I was just I clicked on Roger's stream, and that's the first thing it said.
Yeah,
I want to actually get that too, where it has like on the corner it says like educational purposes, and it kind of just scrolls through.
yeah, I think I know how to do that. It's
Yeah,
on Streamlabs OBS.
because it'll be nice to have that, and like if you want to have like a daily message, or like if we wanted to have like a daily quote, we
Yeah,
can just like play on the bottom of the screen, like in the middle, and then for the educational purposes, let's just say it's like on the top left corner.
yeah, you can do it on Streamlabs OBS. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
If you go to the live screen and then you go to add, and I think you go to like something text GDI.
Yeah.
Yeah, add text to screen, and then yeah, I'll have to play around with it. But yeah, you just have to add the text to the screen and then just like do it from there.
Yeah. I was just thinking that would help. That'd be cool. Message of the day is, just throw on a Jesse Livermore quote.
New quote every day.
Quote every day, man.
Yeah, no, you adjusted on Streamlabs OBS for that one.
Okay. We'll play around with it.
Yeah, after I just wanna.
Oh man, I'm gonna start.
What's up? I did take those like longs overnight too, some, but not a lot. Like a very, very small position.
Oh, you did?
But I got out like quick. I didn't expect it to go like 1940s. It went to like 1920s, and I was like, wow, it's good enough for me.
Earth Star. I didn't take any long. Yes, I
You know.
long golds.
Pound cat looks like it's about to break out too.
Break down or break up?
Up, break out.
Pound cat?
Yeah. Well, I mean, just in general, as like the higher time frame. Maybe not now, but like eventually.
Yeah, it does. The weekly.
Yeah, exactly. Just on the higher time frames.
Yeah, man. So when we did the analysis July 6th, it's finally coming through a month later. Almost a month, yeah, a month later. I think it's a pop. You're right. That's nice. How's the weekend?
Just chilling. Not much. Saw a drive-in movie Saturday night. That was sick.
Where was that? Cochrane?
Yeah. Have you guys done drive-in movie?
Oh, we saw the Facebook group for the last time they had it.
Oh
What
yeah.
movie?
Bridget Jones' Diary, some chick flick.
Nice. Sometimes you just need those movies to just get the feels going.
Not really. It was mostly for her. I was just chilling, enjoying. It was a nice
Well, that's
day
my
out.
point.
Yeah.
You get
I
the
was
feels
really like,
going, bro.
yeah. I was just enjoying the view. It was nice out.
But if I need to go through an emotional roller coaster, I just have to look at the markets.
Yeah. This is our movie for sure.
Yeah, this is our daily movie of the day. Oh man, I don't know why Mondays suck.
Why?
I'm just tired. I'm just tired. That's okay. I'm up. I'm up, but I'm tired, and I don't have to do this anymore.
Dude, can't believe gold's a new all-time highs. Like all time. Never been at these prices ever. It's insane. It's like history.
$300 US.
What's $300 US?
Invis. It's a love and a hate thing, I guess.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Okay. We hear a lot of typing. You know what I'm doing. I'll work on. I'm getting there. The
Rest of it, yeah, no worries, no rush. I didn't do a lot of trading basics yesterday, but I mean, it'll get done if we have like September as the launch date. I think there's gonna have to be one day in August where we make all the videos, right? So
yeah. Wait, did you? So you got a lot of trading basics done.
no, not a lot. I didn't do much on it, but it'll happen today for sure. I think I could finish it today too. So
Trading.
that done.
Trading. Nice. At least you got the quotes out.
Yeah, I got all the quotes done. So,
That's dope. Yeah, this has turned out to be quite a beast. I think it's gonna be 4 or 5 pages, bro.
fair enough. It's all good.
Yeah,
More content, the better.
yeah.
My long USD CAD. I had the analysis from Saturday. I got a position at like 91 for the rip. Small one.
91, nice. Like just right now?
Yeah, but like the thing is, I think it's gonna retest the 135 level. Because if you look on daily, my analysis was it hit that support back in like early June. So usually when it does that, it has like a retest of the support it broke, or like last week on July 21st, it broke that support. So now it hit like another support from June, and I feel like you're gonna get a retest of 135 eventually, and then drop down. Even like 134.50 would be like a good level.
Are you swing trading this? I mean, I guess.
No, like runner, right? Core
Yeah.
runner style. And even if you go down to like 4 hour, 4 hours like flipping bullish.
Yeah, it
And
is.
then the 1 hour too, if the 1 hour closes, let's say above like even 134, that's like a pretty strong indication in my opinion.
What's the 2 hour looking like?
I don't know. But 30-minute like a double bottom too. So if it breaks 134, at least 134.20 is gonna be the level. But we'll see, man. We'll see. Patience, right?
Freaking roach. Maybe I just need a coffee.
Maybe.
Maybe I need to use my better back so I'm not slouching.
Man, I can't believe all this shit ripped during Asian session. Like, damn, on a Sunday too. Shit was popping off on a fucking Sunday.
I wasn't surprised that gold gapped up, but I didn't think it would be at 19.
Gold didn't gap up.
Didn't it?
No, it opened at like 1901. And then
I
it
thought
just
it
went
gapped
up.
up.
No.
Oh yeah, that's a fat candlestick. It's the market sentiment. I guess it's up so far.
Yeah, I feel like pound CAD is gonna rise too. It's creating like a support right now on the lower time frames. So I think 172.50 I have a level. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see. Especially if the 4 hour finish is bullish like this, you're gonna see another pop into the next 4 hour candle.
Yeah.
And 173.20 is a 4 hour level, but we'll see, man.
Man. I had like the craziest stream.
What happened?
I drank a lot, and I woke up because I thought I was gonna be hungover.
Wow. Did you feel hungover when you woke up?
Oh man, I only had one beer, one White Claw last night.
Oh, how was it last night?
Oh, dude, so bomb. Each person got their own crab. Lots of fish, lots of fish and a shrimp ball combined together. A lot of meat. What else we have? Veggies. Egg, shrimp. The shrimp are freaking amazing. Like the fattest shrimps ever. And oysters, yes.
Nice.
As fat.
Sounds like a bomb feast, to be honest.
Dude, so bomb, man. I love hot pot. I love hot pot. I wish Mongolian. Actually, they're not even called Mongolian sheep anymore. I think they changed the name. They're happy. Is it Mongolian sheep? I think they changed it to.
Oh, you went to hot pot?
No, we didn't. We had it at her house. But I'm just saying, like our place.
Oh yeah.
They changed the name from Mongolian sheep to like
happy sheep. Interesting.
I mean, just because of the bad rep is like what roach infestation.
Yeah, it is a roach infestation. And probably just for, I guess, post-quarantine name change. I don't know. Something different.
guess I think the people are gonna do my fence soon. We're getting the whole fence redone. I should move my car.
Probably you don't want your car to get.
No, I don't want to get locked in here. They park on the driveway.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Maybe I
yeah,
won't be able to go anywhere, right?
yeah. All right, okay. I'll be right back because I don't know
Sounds
how
good.
early to start. Okay, good luck on the count. I mean, USD CAD trades, but
Yeah, I'm just gonna write it down and explain it. Okay, let me explain this trade to everyone on stream. So on the analysis from when we go to weekly, down weekly and daily have hit this pretty big support. Monthly, you do have a bearish candlestick, closing out bearish for the week, but weekly, yeah, you do hit the support. Daily, you hit the support down here as well. That means there's a lot of orders there, a lot of demand there. When you go down to the 4 hour, you can see there's a big liquidity grab, and now in the last 15 minutes, this might even push bullish, which means there's strong momentum for the price to continue upwards, right? And even on the hour now, the hour you can see if it goes above 134, it's broken the London session resistance that it formed. So with that break, you have this double bottom. You have a bullish momentum candlestick. You have clean traffic to the left. So price can easily correct the move from Asian session, retest these levels, push in this daily candlestick bullish, and indicating strong momentum for a reversal, or as per the analysis, a retest of the levels, right? That's the one thing I'm playing for today in today's trade. It's a Monday. I don't think we have enough momentum to break it and continue higher. I feel like 135 should get hit again, in my opinion, but you never know. I feel like 134.20 is a pretty good level. That's a 20 pip trade. Like right now, I have my entry at 133.90, 92, 92. I'll round up a little bit. And then from there, I feel like you get the 20 pips needed at 12 and then continue higher. I think 25 pips, but I do feel like 134.20 is a level it gets hit today. So we'll see. It's in based off the hour trade, hour time frame for the trade. And we'll see how it goes. And same with Pound Cat. I feel like Pound Cat's gonna do the same thing. Pound Cat, I had a 172.50 as a level, I think it was. And right now I did get an entry below at 172.04. So I'm gonna get the 20 pips out. Or actually I'm gonna get like 172.30-ish. And then I'm gonna wait for the rise up. I feel like with the pop in weakness in CAD and the strength in the pound, you're gonna see a little pop up. Especially with this 4 hour closing bullish as it is right now. It's kind of closing above these wicks. We have the 4 hour resistance level at 173 area, even 173.80, 173.50, 72.50. Sorry, excuse me. But yeah, around like 172.50, I feel like there's a lot of traffic where price could easily react to. So yeah, no, I think with all these pairs being somewhat bullish, I feel like we're in a good position with it. The sells are going to be hard to take, especially with the daily on the pound USD breaking above higher and on pound CAD breaking above higher. You cannot really take any sells, to be honest. So we'll see how that plays out. I like how this hour is closing on USD CAD. That's a pretty strong indication of where price could easily head to. So yeah, no, think hold, be patient. Um, this hour did break above a little bit, 133.98. Yeah, it did break above this, so it is looking pretty good. 30-minute looks pretty good as well. 30-minute, you have a double bottom, anticipation of the next candlestick. You might get a little wick down and then continuation higher, but we'll see. On the 4 hour, you can see it's a big doji, big wick. That's a big liquidity grab already. So you might get a little pop up to start the hour and start the new 4 hour candlestick, but we'll see. As you can tell from late last week till now, it's been kind of like big 4 hour rangey candlesticks. So if price has found support, it's not really trending. Trend would be something like this or like this, where the price just continues down. But as you can see, price did not, was unable to continue its downward momentum. But yeah, no, that's just analysis. What we said on Saturday as well. Basically, buy everything and anything, really. And I do think I might be able to get a buy on gold or silver later to the hour on like 7:38. I feel like it will reverse, but we'll see how that turns out. Oh, and I did have a quick US 30 analysis. I feel like we're going to have some bearish momentum going into this week, especially with the Fed announcement. It might be setting up for that. Might also be pricing it in. So we'll see what happens with that. But yeah. This is a Raja Bank style trade. So I'm going to actually do it like this. So you have bullish momentum, support being created. Price should retest that. And there we go. That's about it. So 1.SPAY. This might be based off the 30-minute price. So that's the pound CAD trade. I do have a buy from 172.04, so 172.04 on this one, and then 133.92 on USD CAD. But yeah, we'll see how those two turn out. Yeah, no, just be patient, let it play out, and see what happens. Really, biggest thing is to be patient with these trades. But other than that, I'll be right back real quick.
Hello, what did I miss? Anyone there? All right, so I guess Simmer's away from his computer right now, so I'll just talk with the stream itself. All right, so looking at Euro USD, hours and close in 15 seconds. So I think right now, it's probably gonna wait for a bit. See
Yo,
what's back in there. What's up?
what's up? What's up? I have to go wash him. But
How's the? Oh, nice USD CAD.
yeah, I'm in pound cat too. I guess I'm just short the Canadian dollar, but
Nice,
long on the pairs it's against.
nice.
Yeah, we'll see. 4 hour
Yes.
close, so we gotta look at those.
Screw Canada.
Nah, but yeah, the 4 hours look good on it. I feel like 4 hours close pretty nice on pound cat at least.
Yeah.
So it should continue.
Off for pound CAD, like 20 pips.
Yeah, I'm only at 20 for 20. I'm at 172.04. So
Oh, nice. So you're up on that.
yeah, I'm just waiting though, cause like I feel like you have this breakout during like London, right?
Yeah.
Only the end of
Where's
London.
one share screen?
Oh yeah. I thought I was sharing it. But where's the?
Apology, bro.
There, can you see it?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. So kind of had this breakout during like London, and then a retest support created. So I feel like after this, that's why I entered because it was like respected, and then it like pushed up a little bit. I was like, might as well try it.
Yeah.
Need be more lenient with the stop. So,
I
but we'll
mean, the
see.
stop, I mean, you could always put it at where the 4 hour flips bearish.
4 hour flips bearish. That'd be like there's a new 4 hour candlestick being formed right now.
Oh, never mind. Was it an hour? Never
Yeah, I
mind.
think it's an hour. Hour would be like, yeah, even like 171, 90, 92 area, I think would be a pretty good stop loss there. So yeah, that is a good stop loss. It's right below the hour. So yeah, I'm gonna put like 171.92. TP1 it's gonna be 172.04, and then I do
Yeah.
think it's like 172.50 today.
Oh, buddy.
But we'll see. That's where runners come into place.
Yep. In the meantime, I'm just gonna start writing this shit down. Did you know that the foreign exchange daily volume is at 5.1 trillion versus the stock market's at 84 billion?
Yeah, foreign exchange is wild, and I know it went up this year by a trill or two.
That's 60 times, man.
Yeah, man, that's insane. That's so fat.
The reason why I'm bringing this up is part of my article, or part of the investing thing. So, just writing, doing my spiel.
Just writing, spitting
Actually,
some
it's actually
fire.
interesting. I actually enjoy writing. Now that we're like we have to make these articles and stuff, it's actually fun. Hopefully, I'll start enjoying making videos too once we're at that point.
Yeah, we still gotta have the format of the video. I was watching a different video on how to make content on the video. I think it was like story. So you need it's three S's. I forget what it was, but it was like you need a story in the video. So you kind of need like a state, structure, story. So what state you're in. So if you're in a good state when making a video, you need structure, how the video flows, and then you need a good story behind it. So it's gonna be like, I don't know, we need to be in a good state when we're making the video, like probably well rested, good mindset, and then a good structure to the video. So if it's like investing, go through topics that we want to go through, or and then have a story behind it.
Oh,
That's how
so
you
that
hook them in.
story makes it like relevant.
Yeah, it makes it relevant and probably hooks them in too, right? Can't make it like every
Yeah.
dry finance thing
No,
out
of course
there.
that's not what we're about. We're gonna teach it and make it spin, make it
Yeah.
fun. So no, that's good. I am down with that. Actually, how big is the bond market? Damn, the bond market's huge too.
What's the bond market at?
Um, I think in the U.S. alone, bond markets make up almost $40 trillion in value,
Damn, wow.
which makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. Like, let's just talk about the Fed, for example, right? They have like a crazy balance sheet because they're buying up bonds, selling bonds. Like, think about the treasury market. Like T bills. Who doesn't like T bills? Like, how much T bills does China? Yeah, they own 1.07 trillion, or about 5% of the 23 trillion U.S. national debt. Oh, April 14th, 2020 was this article written. Q. Donald Trump's national security advisor, Robert O'Brien, has tested positive for COVID-19.
God damn, man. What's going on in the States? What is going on down there?
Things are about to hit the fan, if you get my drift. Okay, I need my better back. I actually love this thing. Yeah, I'm actually kind of addicted to using it.
Nice, nice.
What am I gonna do if I can't use it?
As long as it's helping fix your posture and make you sit up straight, it's probably what
Yeah,
matters the most, right?
and like,
So,
yeah, and and this is just maybe me. Like sometimes I have ADHD in a sense, right?
yeah,
Well, it depends what I have to focus on. But since like this kind of contraption kind of straps you down, it's like a seatbelt for your back. I think I've used that expression. Like I lose like a bit of my mobility, right? So I think it helps me get fixated on something because I can't really move or do anything. You know what I'm trying to say?
yeah, yeah. No, that's good though, isn't
Yeah,
it?
no, that's good. Yeah.
I think you were trying to sell it on stream on Friday too, from what I remember. You were
Did,
trying to
did
be
I,
a
yeah, no.
salesman, so like
Did I say the same thing too?
straight marketer over here.
Oh, you guys know what I'm all about. I'm all about that health and wellness.
Yeah,
They want a bowl so bad, man.
same. But I don't think the outdoor courts are the only viable ones. But I think I'm gonna go to JP to be honest.
How about the ones by your
South.
house?
I'd be down anytime if you want to come to the house. These ones are pretty like pretty good. JP's just too packed all the time.
Yeah,
And like
to
I
me
don't.
it's like Asian Central.
Yeah, it's not even that. It's like kind of, I don't know. I feel like there's a higher chance there to get it, and the courts aren't that good either. So, but yeah, no, we'll
'Cause
see what happens.
your courts are empty, right?
Yeah, for the most part, they're usually empty.
So
Yeah. We'll see how that goes. Yo, by the way, I was gonna say, now that I remember, since you mentioned like Trump's advisor, I think the U.S. is fucked in the elections. Have you seen like the Trump videos and the Biden videos? Biden's going through like, I feel like his brain's deteriorating, and Trump,
you mean how he talks and stuff?
yeah, and then
He's like the polar opposite of Obama.
yeah, well, his brain, I think, just like deteriorating or something, right? And
And
then
then
even
what's up?
Trump, dude, he was just saying like there's this interview with Fox News and he was just saying the dumbest things. It was actually pretty funny.
But I
I'll
mean,
send it
come
to
on,
you.
Trump's been saying some dumb stuff for a while.
Yeah, and his supporters support it like crazy.
Yeah, so it's just like, whatever. The man is not. I think he just wants to put the image like he's a dumbass. But when
No,
time,
he believes it. He's pretty confident in what he says.
well, I mean, you have to be confident in what you say.
Yeah, exactly. So
I think his mentality is like, if it's believable, I'm gonna make it. No, like,
if
if it's
it's
believable, at least some people are gonna probably think it's for true. Like, what is the thing called? Hydrochloroxine?
hydrochlor, what? Yeah, I know what you mean. It's hard
Yeah,
to say. It's a tough word, but the hydrochlor, whatever. That he's telling people to take.
yeah.
So.
Inject that thing on you. I knew as soon as he said that people were gonna go to the hospital.
Oh no, that's injecting something else. I was injecting some other shit.
Like what? Lysol detergent in your blood?
uh,
Man, it's just funny.
disinfectant,
Dude. The thing is, like,
disinfectant. He was saying
yo, if
inject
that
disinfectant.
worked and stuff, why didn't you do it for every type of disease and virus?
I know. And then the
Like,
White House it
why
said,
COVID of all the ones, right? Like,
the White House was like, please do not inject any
yeah,
disinfectants
like
into your body. No
don't
shit.
listen to don't listen to the POTUS.
Yeah, so that's funny, man. I'm out of pound CAD. Well, not all of it. I have a runner. Runner from
Nice.
pound CAD.
Your 20 pips.
Got my 20 pips at 24.
Was that a full position?
Yeah, I went full.
Nice.
Well, actually, I went half on USD CAD and pound CAD, but I consider it a full on both.
Nice.
Pound CAD was a better play for sure, but still feel like USD CAD. And plus, like, I still have a runner on pound CAD, so we'll see how that one goes. And then USD CAD, I have it at right now. I have it at 12, 20 pips, and then I have a runner that I'm gonna let run.
You have a 94, right? For USD CAD?
No, 92.
92. Nice. Rip, buddy. Rip.
Hey, I'm done for the day. I got a lot. I'm gonna have to mow the lawn too. I didn't do that last week when it rained. It's weird, like with the tractor when you mow the lawn after with wet grass, it like clumps up and shit.
Oh, of course, yeah. I can
Yeah.
imagine.
So then,
Like, how much do you have left to do?
quite a bit, but I mean, it takes since it's not as the grass ain't as tall. It'll probably take me only like 2 hours, which isn't bad. So I
So
have
wait,
2 hours that, 2 hours workout, probably 2 hours on the website. That's basically 6 hours of the day.
yeah. So wait, when you did the oil, like, did you do the oil change, or did some guy come and like do all that stuff for you?
Someone actually came in, picked up the tractor because I did the tire changes. We had 2 tire pops. I got those 2 fixed,
Yeah.
but like I didn't know how to do the oil change or like how to work the engine on the tractor. So someone
Yeah.
picked it up and took it into the shop, and then they did it. So yeah,
Nice. Nice.
man, I'm hungry.
Yeah, I feel it too. Yep.
You doing any trades or you just chilling on a Monday?
I'll probably do something. I haven't seen anything yet. I was on Euro USD. Actually, maybe I should just.
Fair enough.
I don't know, like Euro USD. I feel like it's long, but I don't know. Like the 3 hour, 30 minute, and the hour close bearish.
Hold on, let me pull up that chart so you can explain it. There you go. Do you want 30-minute or the hour?
30 minutes fine. Ideally speaking, what I would want to see is, for example, this candlestick we are go down all the way here, and then create that lower wick, and then pull back up, and that's kind of like, I think for me, anyways, my cue to long. After seeing that, just because it's happened quite a bit, and we're on an uptrend right now, so there is already previous buying power established, but also then you have that liquidity grab to just show that there's a lot of orders to uphold the price, and then I think I'll see a continuation down. But I mean, though, it's a Monday. Maybe it's just like it already had a nice run up from Asian session, so like what? How many pips? Wow,
Well,
almost
from Asian, it's just been ripping. I think there's like a big sell-off on the U.S.
Asian
dollar.
London session. We've already almost had 100 pip move.
You know who's doing it? It's the Fed, bro.
It's the
It's
yeah,
the Fed. There's a Fed reserve announcement on Wednesday, so right now it's pricing it in, fucking tanking the U.S. dollar right now.
whatever. Maybe it's good for exports for the U.S. then,
Yeah,
you
that's
know.
true.
So, but I mean, yeah, I'm just gonna probably just wait and see for Euro USD. Good trade, Simmer. That was a nice support level there. And
On
well,
pound CAD.
compound guide, yeah.
Yeah, well, we see this shit all the time. Why am I swearing so much this morning? We see this all the time. It like breaks out in like
It's a
London.
Monday, bro. It's a Monday.
We see a breakout, and then we see like it retest. That was like Roger usually trades this type, so he's like, you break out during London session, you have a retest pre New York. So I was like, okay. So when I started seeing price reverse, I was like, this support at like 172 is kind of holding, so just quickly punched in. And then I was like, TP here, hold a runner, because I do expect it to go further. But
Yeah,
I don't know, just got to put the money where the mouth is, man.
yeah, exactly.
Balls to trade. Gotta grow balls to trade. The confidence. It's just
Mm-hmm.
insane.
You've been on a great stroll last month or a bit more.
What was that?
You've been on a roll.
Me? Yeah, there's still some fuck up days. I think last Monday was a fuck up day, and then last week was like 2 days. But it's just about controlling those days. As long as it's like 4 days are good and one day's bad, I'm good with that. Ideally, in a perfect world, you want 5 green days.
Yeah.
And that could be, let's say, like 2 trades a day, maybe like 2 losses and like 8 winners. That's what I'm kind of gunning for.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, as long as it's like 8 winners and then 2 losers. If you have like an 80% win percentage, then it's pretty good. I feel like that's what Raja does too. Guns for like 80% win percentage. And then as you can see, he has a percentage gain in his account now too. You can check that out, which is pretty fat. So
Yeah, he made 50% or something.
yeah, plus he's probably gonna do more than 50% this month.
Yeah,
But
and
he,
it's crazy. It's summer months too.
yeah, yeah. I think I mentioned it like a few weeks ago though. The summer months aren't gonna feel like summer months because everyone's probably still at work, can't even travel. Especially in the U.S., no one's letting anyone from the U.S. travel to their country.
Good.
which is the most sensible thing I've heard.
Yeah.
Man, do you see? Did you see that video? I think it was on Instagram of Niagara Falls. You have the U.S. tour
Oh
boat and the
yeah. Yeah,
Canadian
the
tour
two.
boat.
Yeah. When I saw it, I was like, very typical.
Yeah, very typical.
Very typical. So, like,
Canadian tour boat, like 2 people, all masked up, covered up, and then the American one just like packed.
I think this stems from more of like a culture basis and the amendments.
Yeah, I
Their
feel like the
freedom, with their freedoms, their constitution.
goddamn Constitution.
Yeah. So, it is what it is. Whatever. I just won't go to the States for a while. I think
Yeah, that's not
what
a
is
good
it?
idea to go.
In September, I'm gonna go to Vancouver with the girl when she's done her CPA exam. So just
What
drive there. I'm gonna take the plane.
what
And I like the
days are you
drive.
going?
I think we leave on September 12th.
Nice. Airbnb or what? Or just chilling?
No, apparently with her work, she has a discount. I think it's like the Pacific Hotel. I don't even know. It's right beside our favorite restaurant, which is Miku
Nice, nice.
here in Salmon. So yeah, or seared smoke salmon roll. I forgot what it's called, but yeah, it's right there. So we'll probably stay 3 or 4 days in Vancouver.
And that's like end of September?
No, September 12th.
Oh, September 12th. Nice.
And then we'll go there for Saturday. Okay, well, if we drive Saturday, that's a whole Saturday. No, it's just the thing is our anniversary's on the 16th. So Vancouver has more options for restaurants. But yeah, we'll figure it out. I'm not too worried.
Nice. September
I need to
16th.
start planning it actually, though. Fuck.
Noted. September 16th. I'll wish both. Let's get it.
Do it.
On the stream. Actually, is it?
Just on the stream. Shout out. You just see me streaming and stuff in a hotel. And you just hear it in the back.
Not bad.
It's 6 in the morning.
6 in the morning.
No, it's gonna be 5, bro.
Yeah.
Shut up.
And if you come on at like 7, it's basically like 8. Now the time the trading's like already done.
Yeah, it's already done. But whatever, I probably wouldn't trade.
No. Well, you probably won't even trade in Vancouver, man. If you're on vacation, enjoy vacation.
Yeah, enjoy it. The battle will continue down somewhere else.
Exactly, man.
Yep.
Let's see. I feel like I get 10 cents on silver. But do I want to test the strategy out? How am I feeling? I'm feeling good.
You feeling great? You're amazing.
Great. 18 to 28, no, a little bit lower.
Yeah, the quote you sent me and stuff on the chat, I think on Friday.
Which one?
Was on the chat, the Zoom chat. That was from Jesse, right?
Yeah, that was from Jesse. Okay. Good old Jesse. $16, 17 to 27. That's possible. You know what? I'm gonna test it out.
Yeah, you've been simulating it.
Yeah, it's bullish. I'm not gonna lie. I just want to test it, so I'm only gonna go like. What was that?
Go through the audience of why you're going.
Okay, so I'm just testing the strategy, so it's not like an official logging type of trade. But I have like some capital buildup from last night and pound CAD right now, and I'm still in USD CAD, which is profitable right now. But the reason why I want to test it, I want to see if the 10-cent strat actually works. So I'm on like 20% position. You have this breakout, breakout Asian, breakout London, a little retracement, kind of making a support on lower time frames too. So even with the support on lower time frames, you can have a stop below the 30-minute when it flips bearish, which is about from 17. I have my entry at 24.17, so it's about a 10 pip, maybe a little bit more. I'd say like 24.05 would be a stop, and then I'm just going for 10 pips, which is 24.27. So just testing out the strategy. We'll see how that turns out.
It'll turn out great.
Yeah, that'd be pretty ideal. 10 cent and then runner.
I'm done with cheering against your trades.
Oh, you don't want to? You wouldn't short silver, would you?
Oh no, I'm just. I thought it was
Oh.
already a joke. You know.
Oh, that no, you cheer against it. You don't trade against it. Big difference. But yeah, no, that's just testing out that trade. Obviously, we'll see the price action up here, but this is the true trade I got right now.
Yeah.
And it's based off the hourly chart. So we'll see how this hour goes. I feel like after the 30-minute closes, could move my stop to like 133.85.
Yeah.
Reduce risk a bit. And wow, look, silver just pops up 5 cents for my price.
Nice. So wait, you already punched in?
Yeah, I got it at 17 when I was explaining the trade.
Nice.
But no, it was fun simulating silver.
Yeah.
Do that
How
again.
many days did you like?
I did technically I did 3, but like so I don't know if you watched the vid, but I did like April, and then I was looking at the April movement, and I felt like it was too wiki because there wasn't as much volatility and volume in it, and I explained it on it too. So it's
Yeah.
kind of like there's not enough volume or volatility, so it felt like more computers were trading it. That's why I felt like
Yeah.
a lot of wicks were up and down. So then I moved the dates to like June and July. So I did 2 dates randomized in July 21st and July 7th. And then the movements ended up being more clean because I guess there's like more human interaction and more human psychology into play.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it was 3 days because like the April one I got killed on just because the wicks were just massive.
Yeah.
Volatility
Well, I mean, yeah, that makes sense.
wasn't there, so then I was like actually deciphering why it happened, and it made sense. The volume wasn't even pushed into it yet, so. No, but I'll probably do more simulations throughout the week on it.
Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. So it's 1 for 1 for silver.
Yeah, basically a 1-for-1 trade.
Nice. Wow, I just saw that. Was that oil?
Which one?
Oh wow, yeah, oil dropped. Nice. 60 cents. No, I think, yeah. Click on
Yeah.
oil.
Well,
Nice.
that was the oil chart. Little
Oil,
drop.
like for me, I think oil, like, it moves very violently.
Uh-huh.
Like one candlestick, boom, 60, 70 cents, which is a lot for a $40 commodity.
I know.
Ish.
Well, I mean, it is quite a bit, but it ain't like that one day back in what April when it went negative or May. That was
Yeah.
insane.
It would have been nice if I could have traded on Black Hole, that's for sure. Like longed it. Like it was my price target.
Yeah, that would have.
I
Well,
I
what
would
about like Quest Trade? Could you have used Quest Trade to long it?
no, because it was
Oh,
USO.
oh, it was USO. Yeah.
USO also got screwed over because of their contracts.
Oh
Because everyone's
yeah.
using options or swaps. No, it's not swaps. It's options
Hmm.
or contracts. No, it's just contracts. Oil contracts. Yeah, that would have been like the best trade. But now I know that when commodities, and maybe I'll talk this with the viewers, that if commodities get too kind of volatile, and the ETFs that you traded have a hard time tracking the price, like what happened with USO. The second best thing to do, which I should have done, is buy the underlying companies. Now, you might have heard me talk about companies, buying companies that introduces an additional risk. Because typically speaking, there's two types of risk. There's unsystematic risk and systematic risk. Systematic risk you can't really diversify. It's a risk of the market itself. But unsystematic risk is what companies have, right? Because some companies have great management, some companies have okay, and some companies have horrible management, right? And of course their balance sheet. So there's additional factors that's gonna obviously drive up the risk premium that you're gonna discount a stock by. Whereas if you just trade the commodities, you don't have to worry about that in a sense, right? But yeah, but if you have no choice, I guess the best thing is to buy the commodities that are heavily based in that industry. I guess one way of trying to reduce that unsystematic risk is buy like the blue chips of that industry. So, for example, oil would be like what, Exxon,
Yeah.
B, like all
So it'd
those.
just be like those kind of
In
underlying
Canada, I don't know if it's in Canada. Yeah, in Canada's big, but I think they're natural gas. Never mind. Oh, they're not called in Canada anymore. They're called what? I forgot what they're called. They changed their name because Canada has awful policies to support our oil companies, unfortunately. But it is what it is. That's my daily rant.
Buy the underlyings. Kind of a slow day. Huh? Not too crazy.
Yeah, oh yeah, I guess.
What?
No, I was expecting my the gold to be up a lot, which it is kind of up a lot, but my bank stock or my bank ETF's down, so it's just like, oh, it's whatever. I don't care. Life goes on.
Does go on.
How's your trades going?
Pretty good. Pretty good. Not bad at all. So yeah, I have it at 24.05 for the stop loss. Below the wick on this one, but I mean it's a very small position. I'm not too worried about it. It's basically if this candlestick goes like bullish. So I mean bearish. I hope it goes bullish.
See, I'm not the only one.
Yeah, I'm just trading against my.
It's
Hey man, it's your influence. Play. But yeah, USD CAD, I think this it's kind of fun traffic around this area. I wanted to hit like 134, but it's not really hitting 134.
You still have the whole day. They're still open throughout the day.
Yeah.
Well, someone or the Fed's dumping. Someone or the Fed is dumping the U.S. dollar.
That's not good for my USD CAD if they're dumping US dollar.
Well, I mean, okay. Someone's also dumping the Canadian dollar too. It might be Trudeau.
So you're like, yo, they're probably dumping the US dollar.
I'm just saying that just because the futures of the US are down.
Oh yeah. I know they're dumping US dollar for sure.
Yeah, they're dumping Canadian dollar as well. It's all good, man.
Yeah. Oil's dropping. What shit? Oil dropped even more. What the hell? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's why I felt like pound CAD was a play. Pound was strong, CAD was weak, so I felt like that was a better play. But when you got like the US dollar that's weak and the Canadian dollar that's weak, it's kind of just like conflicting on each other right now.
Yeah, it's hard to break to one side. 100%.
Yeah, when it's
and also like with oil, I think it's done honestly for like the long side. I'm not saying it can't go longer, but I'm just saying it's in it from this point on. I mean, it's not even this point on, probably in the last month till now.
Mhm.
It's like consolidation. And I honestly don't think oil should go any higher.
Yeah, I feel like this is gonna be the standard range for it. Like, look how it recovered from those levels, and now you have this like wedge, but this wedge is like nothing. Maybe like a few dollars
Yeah.
up and down. So
Yeah. Because they already filled the gap. I don't know, you don't see it there, but when there is a gap, it's probably not on the oil side. Um, what can you search up to show? If you go oil underscore crude,
this one,
yeah,
and then daily.
yeah,
Oh yeah, that gap's filled.
yeah, that gap's filled. And honestly, at that point, like, this is pre-COVID times. No, maybe yeah.
It
No,
was
it's like in
basically
the beginning.
dirt. That was the oil war with Russia and Saudis
Yeah,
when they wanted to
and
pump
then
out.
honestly though, like demand hasn't really picked up.
No,
So
not at all.
that's what I was. That's what I was. And like the thing is, like if they raise the prices more and stuff, more players like right now, I think it's an optimal place for the Saudis and even Russia are the OPEC members, just because like the shale industry in the U.S., like a lot of wells are still closed.
Yeah, they are.
So it's just like it's like the well count is kind of still at that number of like that threshold. So if the prices raise any higher, like those wells are gonna start going back up line and kind of uh, my CFA prep, Mark Meldrum, check him out if you guys are studying the CFA. He's great. But what he was saying is that essentially with kind of like companies, you all know that, like, for example, if you're in the retail industry, you have inventory, right? So the thing is with these wells, it's what they call a shadow inventory because all they have to do is like the well is there, everything's ready, but like if the prices aren't at an optimum level, they're not going to start it. Now let's just say oil went to $50. You're going to see these wells automatically get kicked up and started again. And then when that happens, that means that Saudis has to cut more on their side, and then people in the North American side is just to turn up their wells as well. And then of course, then you're going to be back at point A of where Saudi and Russia and all these OPEC allies has been avoiding, right? Is is kind of these players to start up their operations again because they're in a sense going to start taking up market share once again. So yeah, it's a very cyclical, interesting thing that they've gotten themselves into, and that's why Aramco had an IPO. But the surprising thing is Aramco's IPO didn't just IPO on their exchange. They didn't find enough people. Or no, that's not the right answer. They did find enough people, but like Saudis were asking too much for Aramco, and the I bankers like J.P. Morgan, Goldman Sachs is like it's not a doable deal. No one's going to take this IPO, so they only launched in their own kingdom. And the funny thing is, they actually got people from the kingdom, like the other wealthy entrepreneurs, to buy the stock. So it's basically like forcing people to own the state stock just because your main business is in Saudi Arabia or the Emirates. So very interesting time.
Nice little rat going on there. Well, tangent or information thing over there. That was nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
That was good. I was kind of focusing on my trade though. I got out of USD CAD. I feel like that rejection is happening, and then this one hit TP right now. So that's why I was like, just looking at it. I'm just gonna enjoy the day. 3 days now, 3 trades.
Yeah. You calling it a day now?
Yeah, I am. Calling it a day. I got out of my runner on pound CAD at like 21, 2.
No.
Call
No.
it a day, bro.
Yo, who cares if it's the end of the day, man?
Good
Okay,
out.
I'm gonna be the devil's advocate here.
Uh-huh.
You know, like it's a runner. And
That's
like,
true.
who cares if you have other things to do, man? Just put the stop there, break even it, and nothing bad can happen.
That is
It's
true.
stuck in the gap. I'm just saying, just because
It is right. I mean, like,
pound CAD's on an uptrend, so it's just like who
it,
knows? Maybe it's gonna break to 174.50.
Even if I had my stop below the previous 30-minute candle, that would have been like a 4 pip profit anyways.
Yeah, and then just it doesn't matter to you.
But
Like you made your money. Runners are meant to run or get stopped out. There's only two options for those.
no, that is
And
true.
yeah, but no, I feel you. I know you won today, but I have to be that devil's advocate to say,
No, it's good though. I mean, you're right on that aspect. I just felt like this level couldn't break. If it did break, it should have broke right away. But
I
I
know.
mean, it's still early in the hour. Well, there's 20 minutes
We
in the
we
hour
still have
left.
one day
Yeah, never
for
mind. There's
CAD
a
anyway,
whole day.
and 9:30. So
Even USD CAD, I got out at like 97. But yeah, I think it's gonna go up even more.
yeah, I think so too. The
Yeah,
doji
whatever.
was just kind of like
Yeah, the doji was like a liquidity grab too, right? I guess off the hour, but we'll see how that goes.
crazy.
I mean, if anyone on the stream viewing in, if you popped in, took this
Prof
trade,
did.
popped in while I had this trade, might have got some profits. But no, I feel good though. That was 3 profitable trades. Well, like 4 if you consider last night. Sold
Yeah,
silver, longs, and then gold. It was a small position, but that small position was actually like pretty decent.
yeah.
And yeah, but I only got out at like 20. Not this move. I was like, wow.
Gee, man. At least you were part of the move. That's all that matters.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep, buddy.
We'll see. Maybe your devil's advocacy is gonna be right.
Who knows, man?
Probably will.
Ah,
Euro USD. Wow, that flip.
yeah, I'm looking at it right now. I think I might long in a bit here.
When it
If you look at
closes.
the hour,
Yeah.
that's exactly like I just want that little liquidity grab before it breaks out.
Yeah, I feel like that's a pretty good one.
So
Dude, one thing we should look out for is kind of what I've been noticing is you kind of have a break on certain levels, and then like retest on the level, or like
yeah,
even
I see
here,
that.
retest on the level. Then it
Yeah,
goes up. That's why I entered like pound CAD, but I feel like
that's nice.
yeah, the retest or even there, the retest. So even if you entered there, you have your stop loss like down here, or if you enter when it's going bullish, we're like, I think Jesse Livermore's quote is like, you have an opinion, and then you have your analysis, and then you execute promptly when the price confirms your analysis.
Yeah.
So, oh,
Yeah, I think for me, I'm gonna wait for the hour to close, and then
yeah,
if it closes this, then hopefully it doesn't go up too high. But we have that wick to fill on the hour,
yeah,
and that
fair enough.
20 pips in itself. So I just want 10 pips. But who knows? Who knows what they're gonna give me? Oh, US dollar.
Tanking.
And yeah, let me clear this for you.
There. Save it. I'll pull up the Euro USD chart for you in a sec. I'm just gonna get
Oh,
all these
good.
charts ready. I think I'm gonna do all the blog posts, even silver and even gold from yesterday. So
Yeah.
delete those. Whoops.
Okay, I gotta go washroom.
Okay.
BRB. Are you a dipster or what?
I'll probably stay on. I want you to get the Euro USD analysis, and I'll probably just give you
All right, sounds good.
info on that. So why I entered silver? We have this bullish uptrend going from higher time frame analysis. Bullish uptrend going from higher time frame analysis. I feel like the Fed's like pricing in the weakness in the US dollar, like getting into safe havens, metals, and other safe havens as a safety or backup. But yeah, no, it was a bullish uptrend going from higher time frame analysis down. We have a breakout in Asian and London sessions. A little retest slash support was created in early NY session and price respected. There's bullish momentum. Only buys as explained on the analysis unless levels break. But yeah, no, silver is basically only buys. We could have a potential retest of the highs is possible. However, based off simulating silver and testing strategies, the TP was secured at 10 cents with a potential runner. There we go. So that's it for silver. I'm going to save that. I'm going to have a silver and gold update on analysis on the blog post for sure. And we'll try getting that in. I'll probably do it based off the hourly chart. Oh, this is hourly. Yeah, I mean, it's breaking out. So happy I got out of this trade though. Wow, that just flipped bearish. There's no wick on the 30-minute. That's why one of the reasons I wanted to get out. And I think it was a pretty good one now that I'm looking at it. But damn, this one I could have held a little bit. But, man, it is what it is. Yeah, clean traffic. This is about to pop up a little bit more. I'm going to see if this one actually retraces a little bit. Maybe I'll enter again. Actually, no. I'm done for the day. Don't even overtrade. This is one thing I got stopped over trading. I mean, I have like technically 4 trades, one from Asian and then a few from New York, 3 from New York, and that's on a Monday too. So it's kind of hefty on a Monday. But yeah, here's gold. Gold, we can see these levels. And then we're probably going to get a retest up here. So let's just write it all down for everybody to see. Price was breaking out during continuing its strong push upwards. Actually, one second, I'll finish this in a sec, but I'll be right back. back? No, he ain't back. It's just me. Let me continue this. Support was created here.
Eh,
Yo.
fuck. Shouldn't be swearing.
I mean, we could swear. There's one thing, but the amount we swear. I swore I was swearing a lot earlier today. It's a Monday, right? As you said.
Monday. Dang it, Euro. 6 minutes. 30 minutes. Yeah, I mean, I still see a continuation, honestly, on the 30-minute chart. Okay.
Bro, I can't believe gold's like new all-time highs. That's insane.
Yeah, I totally agree.
That's actually insane. But yeah, I got all my blog post. I'll keep it on Euro USD now, and then you can do your thing on there. I'm gonna do like a silver gold update, and I'm gonna do the pound CAD USD CAD. So basically like 2 posts, but 2 things in each of them. So.
Yeah. Yeah, I could see this going to 1800, honestly. Or no, yeah, or 118.
1800. That'd be intense.
Yeah, because that's like the next resistance area I see from like dating back to like September and May of last year. So yeah, I do see this as a potential. Yeah, if this 30-minute forms, if it has an upper wick, I'll be happy. Oh, life's just about fun and games. So recently we've been watching Suits.
Yeah.
Have you seen the show?
No, I heard it's pretty boss though.
Oh,
Show.
dude, it's probably the bossest thing I've ever watched.
You
It's
seeing the mood of the show, hey?
yeah, I like it.
But
Yeah,
yeah, how many episodes are you guys
I definitely need a couple grand suits, you know.
in? Grand Suits. Remember that one dream we had? Want to wake up in our PJs?
Oh,
And
yeah. Why don't you tell the audience about
all
our
that.
when we were kids?
When we were younger, I mean, the dream still lives on now.
Yeah,
When we're matured and have more knowledge and everything, but when we were younger, we were thinking of everything, every possible aspect and scenario. We wanted our own
so that's
offices.
a nice way of him saying we wanted to get filthy rich to a certain degree.
Yeah. Then we realized nowadays it's gonna take time, hard work, and effort, and consistency, discipline, patience. And that's all explained in our psychology and investing and trading basics. Check out the
Check
website. Quick plug in there. But yeah, no, we were younger and had when we were younger and had to get rich ski or wanted
Yeah.
to get built rich quick. We thought we were like Wolf of Wall Street style. trading, and then we wanted to have our own office where we'd wake up hungover, go to the Louis Vuitton store or whatever store, Harry Rosen,
Yeah,
go in
Harry
there
Rose,
in our PJs,
crew,
get fitted in like a fat,
brand new
expensive suit.
suit,
Yeah,
and then go to work.
that was unrealistic at the time, but still,
You have to dream big, right?
dream big for
You
sure.
have to dream big, just not trade like an idiot.
You gotta dream big, and then you gotta, be reasonable and like actually sensible about it too.
Crazy. It's
I
good
mean,
to be.
that could still happen, but in reality,
Yeah. Anything can still happen. I think. Who is it? I think Kevin O'Leary did a video about this guy named Steven something. And I don't know, he does real estate. He didn't go to university at 18. He just wanted to be a real estate agent. And now he owns properties that I think gross him about every month like $1 million. And
damn, that's pretty bad.
he's 26.
Yeah,
So it's just like, but he's very frugal too, in a sense, right? He saves a lot.
yeah. I think
Even,
that's the one thing you gotta
yeah.
like know how to spend the money or be frugal with it, and then actually be conservative in a sense. But you also gotta be smart. I'm guessing like with this $1 million a month at 26 or a year or whatever it was at 26, he's probably smart with his money too. He probably doesn't have those dreams of waking up hungover in his PJs, going to the store and getting a new
Oh,
suit.
no, that's just not a
Yeah,
dream. That's degenerate dreams, if I have to say so myself. But yeah, it is what it is. Okay, let's talk about Euro right now. Come on, create a lower wick, buddy, or a higher wick, upper wick, upper wick.
here I'll put on the 30-minute for you.
Yeah, so as we mentioned before, this looks like this thing's
Hold up.
filled the gap.
There you go.
Filled the gap. So when we were talking about it 15 minutes ago, it was at around 1744. So it's got about typical 10 pips or so. So what I'm going to do here is that now 30 minutes in a close soon, I believe in this move. So I am going to go enter half position as it opens. Hopefully we get a wick down. And I'm going to enter another half position. As you heard, just entered there. And what my idea is, like, I honestly think, I don't know if it's today, but I could think of it as today. That, like, if you, sorry, it's not there, but if you go on the week, if you go on the daily,
Yep, daily.
and then just scroll a little bit out, a bit more until we see bingo. Oh, what the heck? Okay, my computer's. Oh man, it's doing that again. Jeez. Yeah, it's making a perfect square. I don't want a perfect square. Yeah, no, something's weird. Something's up with this annotate. So I'll just draw this then. Yeah, there we go. That's where I'm seeing the target to be. And I think honestly, if you judge by the momentum that we're seeing here, right, that's easily achievable. You're gonna see a spike up and then maybe a pullback, and then you'll maybe see some consolidation, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, and then it'll keep going higher. Because I don't think really anything's gonna stop this at all right now.
No, especially with the weakness in US dollar. But let's see.
I accidentally put in 10th of my position and it went down, which is perfect. Now I enter that.
Wait, what was that?
I put a tenth of my half position in.
Wow, man.
So, and I was down 6 pips. I'm like, this looks like it's going down more. Why am I down more? And then I'm like, okay, well, it's like that's the lot size, which is a great thing. Sometimes mistakes were meant to be. So
Yep,
yeah,
it was. I'll go back in that in a sec. I just want to check something here. Yeah, pound cat is breaking up higher.
Is
Boom.
it? Oh shit.
8 o'clock push, I guess, last hour, but yeah, no. It's a Euro USD, so you can explain your entries and other stuff if you want to.
Yeah, so entries is kind of, we had the 30-minute close. Oh, 30-minute and the hour close bullish. And the thing is though, we have those orders. We have that wick, the red candlestick. So there's orders up there. I think that kind of judging by the daily and weekly, we're gonna keep seeing the push. Like it looks like US dollar is really weak right now, and euro I guess is very strong in a sense. So I think my risk right now, I'm only have half a position in. My stop loss is going to be roughly around 117.37, so about like 14, 15 pips lower. But I'm only at half a position right now. And then if it goes a little bit lower here, like around like if it makes a quick dive to like 48, 47, I'm gonna enter my other half of the position there. So then even if I'm offside, I'm not offside too much. Like I said, I'm not even going usually my lot size just for the fact that today is Monday. But I do believe that this is going to be trending throughout the day. So just want to be able to kind of catch this and see if it's going to play out like what I think it's going to play out. But right now, I'm not really in a rush. Like I said, I just want to see some price action. I expect some consolidation, if anything. But I like how the last hour and the 30-minute closed very strong. And there was that kind of liquidity grab that I was mentioning before. Made a, it's not like the ultimate liquidity grab that we've seen like previously, but it's enough that I made a new lower low on the 1 hour and then push back up just to show its true hand. So that's typically what you want to see. Just probably some, I don't know if it's market makers or whatnot, just pushing people out and hitting people's stops and then going back to the true direction. So that's my take. Yep.
That was a pretty nice take. I think it's gonna be a patience play too, right?
Oh, dude, it's probably good. I'm gonna be in this trade till like probably like 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock.
2 o'clock. I feel like the better entry though is when the 30 minutes started breaking above the previous.
I agree.
That would have been like,
When we first
that
just
10
talked.
pips? That is
Yeah,
10
well, that's
pips.
more than 10 pips at 117.647 even.
Yeah. Buy stop would probably be like 49.50. So yeah, I mean, still 10 pips. Never mind.
Yeah, it's still 10 pips.
It hit 60 highs. So
Yeah, but yeah, when it moved down and then it flipped above the zone or flipped bullish, yeah, that would have been, well, ideally, yeah, 38 would have been the bomb entry. Wow, Google extends its coronavirus work from home order till summer 2021.
god damn, wow,
So another year.
that's
Wow.
insane. Until the vaccine's out. I feel
Yeah,
like a lot of people are enjoying from working from home though. They prefer that. Depending, I'd like office setting to be honest. Because then you there, you could just like yell, talk, spit some fire,
yeah.
actually like
I
toss
think
it.
it's just that human interaction that, seeing someone is what people, I think nowadays people feel more isolated of anything.
Yeah, now you're even more isolated working from home.
I mean, people are isolated in general,
Mhm.
with social media and everything like that. But yeah, you're even more isolated now because you actually have to stay at home most of the time, right? So it is what it is. Sorry, word of the day today actually is funny. It's called scattergood. A person who spends possessions or money extravagantly or wastefully.
Wait, say that again. What's it called?
Scattergood. Like
Scattergood?
scatter and then good. Like like for example, animals scatter away, so that's scatter, and
Mm-hmm.
then good. So scatter good. Those two words put into just one word. That's how you yeah. So yeah, extravagant. So kind of, I think the example that we were just talking about of us how when we were younger we wanted to go to Old River.
That was the exact thing.
That's exactly like what a scattergood person would be doing. So that's funny. I swear that sometimes my phone is down. No, I know it's listening to me, but that just proves it's listening to me.
Yeah, and then it just like comes up with that word
Yeah, it's
coincidentally.
like it's just reminding me that like yeah, you sound like a scattergood right now. Or maybe it's used as a verb. Let me just see. Is it a verb? Scattergood, or is it a noun? So example is they are a pleasant couple, but it would be folly to bequeath the whole of my estate to a pair of such scattergoods. So that's a noun. No wait, a rare noun, scattergood, is a compound of a verb, scatter, and then a noun, good, in the sense possession, personal property. Oh cow, it's a rare noun, bro.
It's a rare. Damn, Euro's ripping. What's your price again?
Well, I'm breaking even on the first small position. It's at 74.3. But we'll see. We'll see if it inches up higher. Oh man, let's go. Let's go. Man, come on, man. Just break 60. Because if this thing breaks 60, it's gonna shoot up to 70 real quick. Fill the wick, extend up more. And
Yeah.
that's probably
Probably, I think it will shoot up to 70 in the 8 o'clock hour. You usually get the 8 o'clock push, anyways, right? So,
yeah. And if not, then there's 9:30 push, and then that's it. Oh man. Yeah, some of these analytical numbers are insane, man.
on the website,
minutes. 46 sessions, bounce rate, session duration. It's gone up 130% to 10
Yeah.
minutes to 11 minutes now.
Might be gaining some traction because there's people actually watching the YouTube videos too. I feel like
Wednesday and Thursday was a huge day, like for the website.
that's good.
Yeah, it's insane. I guess right now is the best time is to check it out. Page. Oh wow, they even put a value for your pages.
And what about the page values?
Oh, I mean, we have no value.
We have
There's
no value.
views, but I mean, whatever. I'm not too worried about that. 6 new users in the last week. Days, weeks. Yeah. We actually have some people from the US looking at our website.
Actually, that's sick.
479. 9 users. Real time. Oh man, the push is gonna be real soon. Yeah, we need content. Exits.
Well, we got a month to push out videos and the rest of the pages.
Oh,
And
but
I
I
feel like,
can't wait to wear a suit. Should we wear like a 3-piece?
oh my god, I'm just down regular shit. I think I'm gonna put tie, just nice fitted.
Nice fitted, you
Yeah.
know. Maybe the handkerchief in the front pocket, but no tie.
Yeah, casual style like that. We just gotta find the place to do it. Like pretty chill vibe. Pretty like
You
good
do it
background.
by the pool table.
Oh yeah, by there. That's a good idea.
And then just have like the Jenko thing on, and then we'll have Zoom on like a surface or something. And when we're explaining, we can basically share screen. So then you know.
Yeah, I think I can connect my laptop to it maybe, but I need a I'm gonna look
If
for
it
an
doesn't,
HDMI.
can you connect your laptop to the
No, you
home?
can connect it to the TV, but you just need the HDMI to get in there too. I just need to find the HDMI cable.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Oof. YOLO. Come on, man. Okay, let's.
I'm almost done the blog post. I got one done.
Nice.
Do the second one.
We're gonna
Kind of
post
like,
all- yeah.
Yeah, I just decided like instead of like leaving the silver trade out, I'm just gonna post it and an update on silver and gold. So it's like
Yeah,
gold silver trades and updates, and then USD CAD pound CAD trades. I feel like USD CAD and pound CAD kind of went hand in hand. You know what
yeah.
I mean? Because I was like, I'm in USD CAD, and I'm like, wait a minute, pound CAD looks better. Both short in the
It's
CAD.
hard, man. It's hard, honestly. But in
Yeah,
that sense, you're diversifying your risk.
yeah, exactly right. Because the
Which
US,
fair or no, we all know that US sucks
well,
in a sense.
that's what
No,
you
actually,
said too, right? You're like the US dollar is weak, so I was like, that is true.
it is true.
So it's kind of like conflicting on USD CAD, which means, but the pound was strong and CAD was weak, so there's like more
Yeah,
better potential in that. So
yeah.
yo, these captions under the charts are actually pretty nice though. Do you put the caption?
Yeah. Caption like I just name it pound CAD 15-minute chart or 30-minute or 1 hour.
Let's
Is that
see.
what you mean?
Oh yeah, yeah, that's actually nice. I like how that works. I
And
see
then
that
even
here,
if you
USD.
like hover above the picture, it says the same thing.
That's it.
Yeah. Because there's okay on
Hover
GoDaddy
above.
blog, it's like caption this or then like and then
Oh, I have to go on the website. I was on
yeah,
the
you have to go on the website and then you have to just hover your mouse over it
yeah.
and they'll say the same thing. So I don't know.
That's pretty sick. I'm gonna do that more often though. I don't think I did it for the other ones.
Oh dude, it's all good. Damn, the daily recaps like starting to take form. I mean, most of it is your post, but that's dull. That's bomb, buddy.
It's all good, dude. I mean, it'll pick up, right? You've been busy over the weekend, so
Yeah.
I did a gold and silver analysis breakdown for the week of July 27th too. So
Yeah. Uh, like from like basically, is it like a summary of your video?
yeah, just the pictures. I didn't put like much else, just the pictures.
It's all good. Nice. Okay, I just entered my other half on your USD. And then the stop, like I said, would be 1736. That's it. TP is going to be 70s. Maybe 60.
Damn, what a piece of shit. Get that momentum push up, but this could easily be the hour wick format.
No, that's all good. But yeah, I got my other half in.
Oh yeah, there you go. The half and half.
Yeah,
And
half and
your risk is below the 30-minute candle.
half. Yeah. So
That's nice.
my stops at. I mean, it's below that zone actually. So my stops at 36, 1736. Because for me, I have a zone drawn between like 40, 44 to 41.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can see that.
We'll see. If it's the real move, it should shoot up without kind of going down there anyways. So
But the other aspect is like this could just be the hour wick to push up.
yeah,
At least fill this
final
wick,
four.
right? 64.
Yeah. So
We'll see though. It'll be a patience play. Slow movement. You just want to see that quick pop, don't you?
I do. I just do. I know, but I mean, if this cracks 60, it's gonna go to 70 real quick.
Yeah, I think so. Like right when this candle flips bullish,
Yeah.
I feel like even
All those buy stops are gonna be just like activated.
that's a TED trade too, dude. That's how TED trades, right? Even like taking this one 730 as an example, it's like when it's flipping bull or like even this one. If this one starts flipping bullish, he'll enter, he'll go for like 5-10 pips. That's it. And he does that consistently with like 100 lots.
Yeah, the 100 lots. Oh, buddy.
That's insane.
Ted's the one that like if he wanted to, he could do what we wanted to when we were younger.
Yeah,
Is actually
exactly.
wear his pajamas and go to Holt and just get a fitted outfit. Time will come though. It's all about the grind. You can't rush the process, but one thing you should be doing is enjoying the process.
Yeah, you have to enjoy the process, take it in strides, right?
No, just enjoy it, man. I mean, yeah. I love life. Is Yuri still trading?
I have no idea, man. I haven't talked to him. He's been busy being in his new life now, so
I'm happy for him. That's all.
yeah, man.
Come on, let's go.
A lot more chilled. Damn, it's about to flip. Did you just punch in more?
No, no, I didn't. I'm actually changing my. I'm taking out my TPs for half of the position because I want to manually close that.
I was like, damn, this guy went full margin on the flip.
He's going 10 lots right now. He wants to live the Uncle Ted lifestyle.
Yeah, he's talking about the
Real
10.
quick. Oh man, no, I just want to have something so I can break even. Like runners, I mean. Come on, man, just go, just crack that 60, please. Girl, do me a huge one. Do me a huge favor. Of course, you're gonna go down a little bit. Oh well. Man, it was so close to flipping bullish. Come on. Bullish, bullish. Let's go. Come on, I want you to go down now.
Don't say that, man.
I gotta jinx myself sometimes. Sometimes when they know that you want it, they'll do something opposite. So then you just cheer against yourself and hope for the best. Oh man. Let's talk about some news. Forex, euro jumps, dollar hurts by coronavirus spread. Okay, cool. Wall Street climbs on stimulus. Dovish bets. Dovish Fed bets ahead of earnings rush. Mexico's. Push, push, push. Okay, well, I mean, if you're not gonna do anything, I'm gonna start writing again.
Yeah, I think writing is gonna be good. Kind of like
Yeah.
makes you patient with the trade, I guess. I don't know. I'm done my write ups now. I think yeah,
Oh, and the 30-minute close, nice.
Yeah.
I've been looking at the hour. That's why I didn't even notice.
Fair
Oh,
enough. Dude, one thing I was like thinking about over the weekend is like time efficiency, time management. Probably do like a post about that in the future. And, like trading basics or behavioral finance, either way.
yeah. I mean, I could be better. I mean, anyone could be better at managing their time.
Yeah, time efficiency and management. I just thought about it like yesterday when I was just like lounging around before my workout. I was like, damn, I just wasted 45 minutes doing nothing on my phone before my workout.
I mean, yeah, that's why like I don't know if you noticed, like I'm really slow at responding to Instagram now, and I
Yeah.
should mention just because I've turned off the notifications on there.
Yeah,
Just
no,
for
that's good. That's good,
yeah,
man.
I'll go on there for sure. So I will respond, but probably in a couple hours. 'Cause, yeah, without those notifications, I actually don't look at it as much as I thought I would.
That's good, man.
Can you just break 60? Screw it. I'm done looking at you. When I hear the noise, I'll know. Does it make the noise when it hits your orders?
No.
Oh.
Wow. Bro, pound CAD was the trade of the day.
Yep. That's nice. Come on, push. Yeah, you flipped. Now break 60. That's the sweet spot. That's the sweet spot. Let's go.
There we go. Oh, there it goes.
Did it? Oh.
No, I'm just trying to cheer it on.
Euro. Euro. Feels like sometimes I'm like, in a soccer game, people just start cheering.
Yeah.
That's what I do when I'm trading. I cheer it on.
Feel
I
like
know
you're
it
in a
can't.
soccer game, man.
Yeah. Oh, nice, finally. Yeah, there we go.
Ooh, it's gonna pop.
Yeah, I just want to break even this trade. Not my whole trade, but I'm just saying I just want to hit my TP so I can just skedaddle. Oh, right there. Right there. Yeah. Oh.
Nice. That was a momentum push you wanted,
That
right?
was a momentum push, everyone. If you like that trade, hit a like on that and subscribe to our channel here. Let's see. Where should be my stop? 117. Should be good. Yeah, it should be good. Okay, sweet. That was nice. That was quick and easy. Just how I like it.
Quick and easy.
Yeah, quick and easy. It broke out. I mean, ideally speaking, kind of what Simar and I were talking about. Ideally, if I put a buy stop around. So when it basically created that liquidity grab and then flipped bullish, a buy stop above the previous. Let's look at here. Yeah. So right here, if I had a buy stop somewhere around this area right here, so around the 50s area, that would have been the best price.
Well, I think on the base off 30 minutes. Yeah, right there. Whoops.
Right there, yeah.
Let
So
me-
then,
I'll
like,
zoom
yeah,
into
based off
that.
that, it'd be like, yeah, roughly, right there.
Careful.
Yeah,
Just in
and
the
then
chart.
just and essentially, even if I would have never been really maybe a pip. I would have been on the downside for this whole trade versus me being offside about like I don't know, like 2-3 pips. I think I was offside by. I'm not sure. I don't remember, but yeah, that's
That was a pretty good
breakout.
trade.
Trust the trend, and like we said, we called it. If it breaks 60, it's gonna fly, and it broke 60. It took 2 minutes, honestly. And once it hits, I think if it goes to 1780s, I'm gonna sell maybe half of my runner, and then move the stop, and then just the trade's done. We're all happy here. I'm very happy. So I'm just happy it's
Boom, 70 hit. That's nice though.
well.
US dollar must be tanking. Yeah.
Yeah.
The US dollar tank.
Dude, that's insane. Well, I mean, it's had such a crazy run up.
What?
Yeah, the US dollar.
Yeah.
Since 2008. It's like whatever.
Should get back down to I think it hits 90 eventually. But like yeah, since 2008. Even 2014, I guess that's when the recovery really started taking place. That's a sad area. But we'll see. We know how Forex moves. It's gonna go down, have like a big retracement up, and then go down again or something.
Oh, yeah, our favorite liquidity grabs.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah. But I mean, in the meantime, I'm just chilling. Just chilling like a villain. Yeah, that was great. And honestly, that could also have been an impulse buy as well. Just because we've had such a crazy run up, like 100 pips, that typically, actually, I don't know. Yeah, no. When it has like a run up there, because we always have an action and a reaction. So our action right now is the run up.
Basically, yeah.
So then the reaction, who knows? Is it going to be a continuation? I mean, I hope it's a continuation because obviously I'm biased to the long side. But if it doesn't and stuff, and you missed the long trade, of course there's the. I'm not telling you to be a contrarian,
No, but you
but
wait for confirmation on the
you
other
wait for
side.
confirmation, right? Like
And
for
you actually,
example, if you wanted to short, I would wait for this candlestick, this hour candlestick, to flip bullish. I mean bearish.
yeah, not
Because
even
it,
that. You need like a good structure, like resistance
yeah,
formed, and then like it kind of
yeah.
going down from there. So
Because if the 30-minute actually, yeah, even if like let's just say this formed right now, the 30-minute formed bullish, and then the next candlestick was engulfing essentially. So then it had a candlestick that was bearish and closed below the previous 30 minutes. Then it's probably a hit go back down to my zone around 1740s area, which is 10 pips. Yeah. So yeah,
pretty good explanation. So we'll see how
yeah,
it turns out.
that's good. Oh,
Think we're good for the stream today. I think that was what 4 winning trades.
yeah, that was good.
Call it the golden gift day or something. I don't know.
Yeah, just a great
gift.
day.
Yeah, it was actually a pretty good one. So
Yeah, great. It's shooting up even more.
yeah, I
Keep
think
going.
it'll pop up quite a bit. So
Yeah.
we'll see how that
I mean, if it
goes.
goes to 80, man, I'm just gonna take half out and then just whatever, man.
Fair
Just take-
enough.
yeah.
But yeah,
Great.
I think gonna end the stream. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Hope you enjoyed today's trading session. Good knowledge, good trades taken, good explanations on trades. Pretty much one of our better trading days overall for both of us, I'd say.
Yeah, yeah, and
Probably
I hope you
leaving.
enjoyed the tangents that we always go off on because
Yeah,
really, we have to keep ourselves entertained too.
basically we do. I'm gonna actually put
Are you gonna do
I
what?
kind of want to reference it, so it's like this is one of the streams to watch for viewers. You know what I mean? So like on the title, what should I put?
For the YouTube? Sorry, I'm
Yeah,
lost.
for YouTube's title. So right now it's just a standard title, Live Forex Equities Trading and Analysis, July 27th. But I should put like the stream was very informative or something. I'll put like an asterisk, be like informative.
How does Wix Online do it?
He just leaves it as a standard one. He just tells them to watch like every video. But considering like when we started, I feel like this one's probably the best day since we started. In general, with the explanations on everything and like how we both traded, just in general.
Yeah, I mean,
We could change it after though. I mean, it's not.
yeah,
Gonna
I mean, yeah,
but
just
yeah.
do
But yeah,
whatever.
anyways, July 27th, 2020 is the stream to watch, ladies and gentlemen. Hope y'all tune
Yeah.
in and have a
Hit
great
the
rest
like
of
button, hit the subscribe, tell your friends.
yeah. Have the rest of have a good Monday.
Yeah, have a great Monday, everyone. Take care.